In December 2019, a mysterious illness began spreading in Wuhan, China. Doctors noticed strange cases of pneumonia that wouldn't respond to treatment. One brave doctor, Dr. Li Wenliang, tried to warn the world, but his voice was silenced. No one knew it yet, but life on Earth was about to change forever. By March 2020, the virus had spread across continents. Flights were grounded, cities were silent, and billions stayed home. Streets that once buzzed with life became ghost towns. The world stood still, for the first time in modern history. While fear gripped the world, heroes rose. Doctors fought day and night to save lives. Delivery workers kept cities running. Families prayed for loved ones through screens. Humanity found strength in unity, even while apart. In 2021, hope arrived in tiny vials, vaccines. Slowly, countries reopened, and people reunited. The scars remained, but so did the lessons, kindness, resilience, and the power of coming together. The pandemic changed us all, but it didn't defeat us. From fear came strength. From isolation came connection. The world stopped, but it started again, stronger than before. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share for more powerful stories.